Good day, everyone. We are Group 5 from CS2A, and today we will be presenting our final term project for ICS C0113. This presentation was prepared by John Robert Bugay, Daryl Clasio, Marcelo de Guzman, and Irby Joseph Santos, and it was submitted to Miss Stephanie Rose Basilio. Now let's begin for our discussion. Now let's move to our to what inspired us to create Osiris. We noticed that different operating system each have strengths and weaknesses, so we combined the best part into one system. We wanted an OS that runs games smoothly and avoids compatibility issues and boosts productivity.
Now, Osiris. Next slide, please. Now, why Osiris? Osiris is inspired by the Egyptian god associated with rebirth and renewal. The name symbolizes a reborn style of operating system, a new, powerful combination of everything good from other OS. It represents strength, reliability, transformation, reflecting how the OS elevate both gaming and productivity to a new standard. Next, please.
And this is our features. Feature number 1, Passboot. Passboot ROS uses an optimized startup engine that focuses on loading only the essential core services. Because of this, the system becomes ready to use in just a few seconds. This feature is especially helpful for students who need quick access to their files, gamers who want to jump into their games without waiting, and workers who need fast, efficient performance. Passboot ensures that the moment you power on your device, you can start being productive right away. Next, please.
Now, the second feature of Osiris focuses on smart, efficient window management. Osiris uses Hyperland tiling window system to automatically arrange your windows into a clean and organized layout. You don't have to drag or resize anything, just press a keyboard shortcut, and that's it. This feature makes multitasking easier and more efficient, especially for us students and power users, and who always use multiple windows open. It ensures your workspace stay organized, helping you focus and boosting your productivity.
So let's go to the automatic heat dissipator. Now, you know how intense gaming sessions can get. The longer you play, the hotter your system gets. And once that the heat builds up, everything starts slowing down. But ROS, you don't have to worry about that anymore. The automatic heat dissipator constantly monitors your device's temperature in real time. It's smart enough to adjust performance on the fly, preventing overheating before it becomes a problem. This means no random lag spikes, no sudden frame drops, and no interruption during your long gaming sessions. Whether you're grinding rank matches or exploring massive open world maps, the system keeps cool and stable. Next.
Now, on the feature 4, gaming compatibility. That is all about it. Osiris can run Steam OS games, but it also supports Windows only games without requiring any manual setup. Pretty much all the games, there's no need for complicated configuration, extra tools, installing Wine, or technical steps. You just simply launch your game and it just runs it smoothly. That's all.
Now, for our fifth feature is the one-click troubleshooter. It automatically fixes game crashes, detect driver problems, and repair missing libraries or Proton errors in just one click.
Feature 6 is where we show everyone how it should be done. Our beginner-friendly design doesn't just look good. It makes every other OS feel unnecessarily complicated. We built a layout that's clean and sharp because, honestly, no one has time for messy interfaces or 10-step settings. With our system, you don't need to be some Linux guru just to find the basics. There are zero complicated settings, zero nonsense, and zero learning curve. You install it, turn it on, and instantly understand everything because we designed it that well. Next one.
Feature 7, uh, automatic overclocker. This system automatically boosts a CPU and GPU whenever higher performance is needed. It adjusts power and speed based on real-time demand, ensuring smoother and faster processing. What makes it reliable is that it's designed with built-in safety limits, so that the performance increase remains stable and safe for the hardware. This is especially perfect for gaming, where higher FPS and smoother gameplay are essential. With automatic overclocker, users get extra power only when they need it, without risking their device. Next, please.
Now, in this part, what is the best feature of our proposed OS and why is it the best? Now, I chose the best feature of our OS is feature 2 and 4 because they represent the perfect balance between productivity and entertainment. Feature 2, the smart dynamic tiling system, provides a clean and efficient workflow. And feature 4 makes Osiris stand out for gamers. It can run both Linux and Windows only games with zero manual setup. And that is all.
Which feature of your proposed OS is the weakest? Why do you think so? I think the feature 3, the automatic heat dissipator, is the weakest because heat management is not something an operating system can significantly improve on its own. Actual heat dissipation is mainly controlled by the hardware, such as cooling system, fans, thermal paste, and built-in CPU GPU safety mechanism. Most modern OS kernel already have strong thermal monitoring and automatic throttling to prevent overheating. Because of this, our features doesn't stand as much as the others. It's also resounding misleading since an OS can regulate performance but cannot physically dissipate heat. On top of that, it overlaps with our automatic overclocker features which already adjust performance based on demand, making this feature feel less impactful and less unique compared to the rest. Next, please.
So next one, can your proposal OS be offered and succeed in real life? Why or why not? Of course, absolutely. Our OS can be offered in real life, and yes, it can succeed. Why? Because we're not just making another Linux distro. We're solving problems that big companies somehow still can get right. Gamers want raw performance, clean design, and zero nonsense. And that's exactly what we build. Most existing systems either drown you in bloat, choke your hardware with background junk, or pretend to be a gamer friendly while doing the bare minimum. We're not doing that. Our OS is optimized from the ground up. Faster boot times, cleaner UI, better resource handling, and a setup so easy that even people switching from Windows won't panic. So, could it succeed? Of course, it could. Because when you give people something genuinely faster, smoother, and smarter, they don't need convincing. They just switch. Next.
Explain why should you group win as a best group for this requirement. We believe our group deserves to win because we put solid effort into creating Osiris. We research real OS features, combine them creatively, and design a system that focuses on performance, compatibility, and user experience. We also divided the task fairly, work together efficiently, and make sure that every part of the presentation was clear and complete. Overall, we deliver a unique concept and work as a strong team. If you were only to give one group mate 100 points, so who will it be and why? For me, I think I vote Irby Joseph Santos because he is a strong and independent leader.
So, for me, Irby Joseph Santos, because he's my key to life and key to my better future.
Yeah, for me also Irvin Joseph Santos. Since he mostly created the whole PPT alone. And he will lead us for the better future.
Now, if it were me, who will I give it to? Of course, I will give it to nobody. Because I am the one that made this. That is all. Thank you.
Oh, plastic ka boy. Ito po ang aming contribution. Thank you for listening. We are Group 5.
Yeah, thank you for listening, Group 5. Signing off na po. Yan.
Arigato datteboyo minasan.
Simula na ba?
Oh, si Manan. Nagaganyan na sa RP.
Now, let's talk about one of the most important features for any serious gamer, our automatic kick dissipator. You know how intense gaming session can get.
Now, for our fifth feature, putang in. Bumari ako. Isa pa, last one.
Feature 6 is where we show everyone how it should be done. Our beginning-friendly design doesn't okay, cut mo yan. Wow.
For me, I will vote Erbison and Gangnam. Because he's a strong and
leader.
he is a strong and independent leader. Let's go.
He will lead us for the better future.
Yes.
He's independent.
Okay, start na.
Kakain pa ako eh. Gagawa pa ako sketch up.
Pre,
Yeah.
ka, tatay ako.
Mukha tayo mga caster.
Yeah.
Tayo na nga po, nananalo na po sila,
Announcer sa ano?
tataya na po kami sa naming kagrupo. Sino po kaya yun? Natatay na po yata ang ating isang grupo. Kasalukuyan po tumatay ngayon.
Na-inlove na si Daryl.
Kiss mo nga ako.
Pwede.
Mahal mo ba ako?
Hindi.
Deski de, Unichan.
Oo,
Sempik ng tayo.
Pala. Ito, bro.
Ay na, kulay green pa ay.
Diri kay!
Ay na, kadiri.
Performance. Pass boost ensures that the moment you power on your device, yung answer rate, bro, dati.
Compatibility issues and boost activity. Asa yan next? Ano ito eh? Siya ba next? Ikaw ata
Okay, next.
Ang ina na ito.
Ang ina pinagagawa.
Huy, next! Ang ina na ito.
ikaw pa rin yung next. Ay, hindi. Osiris.
Ikaw na.
Ako?
Ay, ikaw na.
Boss ah. Actually.
They are essential. With automatic overclock or user.
Uy,
Sabay pa.
Size.
so,
Hey!
Walang daan! Di ba kagabi?
Ako na! Ang 15, tanga doon, matanda niya gawin.
Explain why should your group nakakaroon ka
Nagganit na.
Napagalita pa, nangangano rin.
Kernel already have strong thermal monitoring and automatic throttling to prevent overheating. Because of this, our feature doesn't stand out as much as the others.
Operating system features kung putang.
Bugay, gumagalaw yung santo sa likod mo.
5 minutes at Jerusalem. May guardian agent.
5 minutes sa Jerusalem.